Who's sneezing on AD? We're about to go on a car trip. Dylan's driving, and I'm going to sit in the back seat. I'm going to empty this, put water in it, and keep pretending to sneeze on Dad's neck. He's going to fucking kill me. I feel like fucking Heisenberg right now, but... Voila! You're a fucking grot! Did I get you? Fucking grot. What? You're a fucking Mitchell! I did not hit you from there. You did, so you fucking sneezed over me back of me fucking head. You fucking put that much mayo on it. Fucking rude. Come on, Dylan, let's get going. Fuck me, I'm gonna grow another fucking 2 years old if we sit here any longer. Mitchell! You fucking... It did not get you! Mitchell, you're being a fuckwit now, get out! Sit behind Dylan, you fuckhead! It's a fucking dog. Mitchell, shut your mouth. Mitchell! That's not! Pull over, Dylan, I'll fucking hit him in the fucking head. Get out, Mitchell. I'm telling you, I will fucking punch you in the fucking head. Dylan, can you stop putting mayo on it when you fucking... Pick your nose, you fucking sneeze all over your head. Turn left. Oh, actually, no, go Foster Road. That's not a bad idea.
No, try to get on the freeway there.
Oh, you can't. Yes, you can, you dickhead.
No, you can't.
You can, so.
Let me get on going that way.
I can't help it. I have hay fever. Mitchell, you're a fucking... I'm covering my mouth. Mitchell, you know what? You're just a child. Wouldn't mind being a fucking crumpet myself. Mitchell, you piss on me back. I don't care. I got this on now.
You look like slugs.
Dylan, get away, you fuckhead, and leave me alone and just drive me to see Mum. Mitchell! I just fucking bought it. Piss off. That's mine from the gym. Oh, fuck you. Don't do it to me. You just soaked my car. Fucking water, it's not petrol.
I don't care.
I don't care, I just sneezed. Mitchell,
Don't.
I want a drink, I'm thirsty, Dylan.
You fucking dare.
I'm telling you.
Mine spray as well, look.
Piss off, Mitchell, will you? Suck in, Dylan, bash him.